Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Thursday, September 21st. We are seeing mostly sunny skies out there and fairly light winds, and it is going to be the case for much of the day today, as we are going to be having a pretty beautiful day today and even through the weekend. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, we are seeing high pressure building in across much of the eastern half of the United States. There's lots of radar clutter on this map this morning, but for the most part, we're not really seeing much in the way of rain at all across the eastern part of the country. We are still seeing Tropical Storm Jose over there off to the northwest Atlantic, and that is expected to continue to linger in that area for the next couple of days here while slowly weakening during that time frame. We could see that slowly start to drift a little bit closer back to our area as we move to tomorrow, but the only thing that's going to bring is a slight uptick in cloudiness, but otherwise it's still going to be a beautiful end to the week. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop here, we're seeing some of that radar clutter there on the in the beginning of this loop, but that is clearing out as it goes towards the end. Not really seeing anything in the way of actual rain showers, maybe a couple spotty showers across the North Carolina area, but for the most part we are seeing mostly sunny skies across the entire mid-Atlantic region. Some light northwesterly winds across the area this morning, and we do expect those winds to remain fairly light throughout the day, becoming variable at times, and we are seeing temperatures around 70 degrees as of 8 a.m. Taking a look at our 8 a.m. observation, we are just seeing a few clouds at 5,000 feet and a few at 10,000 feet, otherwise mostly sunny out there. Seeing winds at azimuth 310 at 4 knots with a temperature of 70 degrees. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, we're just going to be seeing a slightly above average high today of 82 degrees under mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Could see a very slight uptick in cloudiness as we go into the late afternoon hours, but we should see a return to mostly clear skies as we go into late tonight and into tomorrow morning. Winds are going to be rather variable today, switching around from the northwest to north as we go through the morning hours, then becoming northeasterly in the early afternoon, still pretty light at only 5 to 10 knots, and then they are going to become fairly light and variable as we go through the evening hours before turning northwesterly at 3 to 7 knots in the morning hours of Friday. We are still seeing a coastal flood advisory out there in effect until 4 p.m. this afternoon, as we have unusually high tides and high surf still associated with the remnant effects of Jose, but those higher tides and surf should start to settle down as we go into this evening and through the weekend. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, we're just going to be seeing mostly sunny skies through much of the day, only seeing a few clouds around that 4,000 or 5,000 foot level, and then those clouds at 10,000 feet should begin to clear out pretty soon here, and then we're going to start to see some cirrus clouds creep into the area around the midday time frame. Still seeing that deck around 4,000 feet. As we go into the 8 p.m. hour, we're going to see a deck around 18,000 feet that start to move in, possibly then becoming overcast at the 25,000 foot level and through the overnight hours. And by tomorrow morning, we're just going to be seeing a few lower level clouds near 4,000 feet and scattered deck at 18,000, and we should be seeing an overcast cirrus deck as we go into tomorrow. And tides are 1 to 1.5 feet above normal at this time. Taking a look at the next couple days here, not going to see much change in the forecast at all as we go through the end of the work week and into the weekend, with highs in the low 80s, around 82 for both Friday and Saturday under partly cloudy skies. Can't rule out a very slight chance of a stray afternoon or evening shower tomorrow as we get a little lobe of energy moving across the area as Jose tries to very slowly make its way just a little bit back closer to the eastern United States, but that looking only like a 10% chance at this time. We're still going to be looking at a beautiful day with high of 82. Friday night is going to be a low of 64 under partly to mostly cloudy skies with really no weather hazards as we go through into the weekend. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. and we will discuss a little bit about any possible impacts that Hurricane Maria will have during the midweek time frame next week. Have a great day.